Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. As we all know, winters are about to end and we are ready to welcome the scorching heat of sun during summers. This is the time when majority of us get infections and suffer from cough and cold due to seasonal changes. To protect ourselves from such infections, the herbs and spices which are available in our kitchen, we can use it in a very beneficial manner. So today I am going to share with you the recipe of making a special drink to protect yourself and your family from such infections. So let's get started. So the first ingredient required for making our special drink is tulsi or basil leaf. So here I am having two varieties of tulsi. Tulsi is very helpful in lowering the blood pressure. It reduces various types of respiratory ailments. It gives relief from cough, cold, sore throat, flu, etc. And it is a very good antiseptic also. So compulsorily we have to include these leaves in our drink. We all are familiar with this plant. This is the carom plant from which we get the carom seeds or ajwain. So ajwain is very famous as it cures stomach pain. It is a natural mouth freshener. It improves digestion and is very useful to treat common cold. Take a bowl, add about 2.5 glass of water into it. It will be sufficient for 4 servings. Allow this water to boil and we will add all our ingredients into this water. So the other ingredients or the spices we need are, here I am taking dry ginger powder instead of ginger. If you don't have dry ginger powder, you can substitute it with the normal ginger which we get in our kitchen. So you can store this dry ginger powder in a tin. It is very easy. Whenever we need, we can use it. Some half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and about half teaspoon of pepper powder, black pepper powder we will require. Turmeric is a natural healer and black pepper powder helps in weight loss. Another important ingredient is coriander seeds or dhania. These seeds are very rich in immune boosting antioxidants which fights against infection and promotes digestion. We require some jaggery as per our taste. This is a natural detoxifier which flushes out all the toxins from our body and prevents constipation. Next we require some 4 to 5 cloves. Cloves, they reduce stomach ulcers, they regulate the blood sugar level and improves liver health. A small piece of cinnamon stick or dalchini. It is important for weight loss and has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It also helps in reducing blood pressure. Now we will add all these ingredients into the water. So first of all I am adding the basil leaves and the ajwain leaf. If you don't have ajwain leaf or the carom leaves, you can substitute it with some ajwain. About half a tablespoon of carom seeds or ajwain you can add into it if you don't have the ajwain leaves with you. Now I am adding about 1 tablespoon of coriander seed and the remaining spices, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and about 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. If you don't have dry ginger powder, you can add the normal ginger. Now add the cloves and the cinnamon stick. All these ingredients are very beneficial for increasing our immunity. They are having antibacterial and antiviral properties which protects us from various types of infections. Now add in some jaggery, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I am making it for kids, so I have added little more amount of jaggery. If for adults you are making, you can reduce the amount of jaggery used. Give it a mix. Close it with a lid and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes on a medium flame. After 15 minutes, our immunity booster drink is ready. Switch off the flame. Now we will strain this drink into the serving glass. You can consume this drink early morning and in the evening daily, or at least thrice a week. Even kids they like because it is sweeter in taste. Whenever you have some symptoms of cough or cold, or you are having some sore throat, you can immediately make such drink and use it because it is very beneficial. It's my experience, that's why I'm sharing with you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.